Hello. So welcome to the channel of RD Technical Learning. So in this video, I'll be telling you about the Java programming interview question that was recently asked at the Capgemini company. So this is the program that was asked in the interview at the Capgemini company for the automation testers, and they gave them the string input as ABCD, and they were asked to write the output as AABBCC and DD, right? So this is the output. Now here, what we will do is how to solve this kind of program. So you can go for string builder, right? That is more effective in these kind of operations. So we'll use string builder, we'll use the append method of the string builder itself, and then we'll call the main method in which we can integrate these kind of operations. So let's start writing the program in IntelliJ itself so that it becomes easier for you to understand, and you can also try on your laptops in your machines, right? So that you can come to know how to come up with such kind of programs, right? So let me share the screen. Okay, so we'll be writing a basic program on a string today, and let's take the class name as Capgemini interview question itself. Okay, first of all, we'll create the normal method. So let's create string builder, and let's create str equal to new string builder, right? And within the string, what we will do is, see, now you have this input string, right? Which is, as we saw in that program, ABCD, right? So this is your input string. So this is what you have to take. So what we will do is, in order to process this particular thing, first of all, basically, if you understand here, right? So after A is coming, after B is coming, and after C is coming. So one more character, same character is getting appended, right? It's getting appended. So what we will do is we'll create a normal function first in which we will be performing this append operation. So how to create that function, and we have to loop. So again, in order to loop it, what you will do is you'll go for a for loop, right? So we'll write a simple for loop here. Right. So here, let's create one function basically within this string builder, and public method duplicate characters, right? And here we'll pass the string str. We are just creating a normal function. Okay, public. Now what we will do is we have this string builder here. Okay, within this we'll create a for loop, for each loop, and within that we will write for each loop of let's say result s, right? So this is your character C, right? Let's take C here. Now whatever is your string, so string dot to, we'll have to convert it to char array. So each loop, so we have defined here str. Okay, this is your parameter. Let's take this as result, right? You can have two things, and here let's take a static method. So for each loop str dot to character array, right? And let's remove this extra bracket. Okay. Now within this, what we will do is we'll write result dot append. We'll write append, and again we'll write append. Right. So your result equal to result dot append of append of. So this is your character C that you would be taking. So character of C dot append of C, right? So this is your result, right? So you have written public static duplicate character. So this is the function that basically has been created, right? And you need a return type here since we haven't kept void. So we need a return type. So what we will do is after you convert this for loop, then we will again convert it back to the string array, right? So that is the purpose here. So we'll add a return statement, return result dot to of string, right? So we have to convert it back to the string, right? So now what is the error it is showing? Cannot return a value from a method with a void result type, right? So let's make it return as string. Okay, so this is your method. Now let's create a main method. Okay, public static void main, in which we will be calling this particular method duplicate characters. So string input is equal to the normal string that we had. Okay, and what is the string output now that we would get is, we call this method duplicate characters of input. And here you can add the two print statements for simplifying it. System.out.println of input and system.out.println of out. Okay. This is how you will write the program. Now let's run this program. Right, so you're getting the output. So what did we do? First of all, we created a normal string builder object here, and in that particular we created one method in which we created this string builder object, and in that we pass this parameter. Okay, now we are going for each loop. For each loop is used basically to convert each and every character, for every character that you find, and we want to convert that string to the char array, right? So we are getting result equal to result dot append of C dot append of C. Even if you don't write result equal to here, still it would work, right? And then you're adding a return statement here, return of result dot to of string. And then what you are doing is, once this for each loop is done, so for every string whichever you get, you are converting it to the char array and you are appending it, right? So once this for loop is done, then we have to return the result dot to string, right? And we have taken the string as the return type here, that is why we are going for string here. And then we create the main method, in which again we create one normal, we take this input is equal to ABCD, and then the output that you get duplicate characters of input, right? Then the system.out.println input and output. So basically this function which we have created earlier is being called here for the processing, right? So that's how you'll write the program, and you can put in the comment section of the video how additionally you feel you can write the same program, right? So I would be happy to see the alternate solutions for the same program, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.